One day when we look back on the choices we made when we were young, hopefully, we can smile, stand tall, and think, that was a good decision, a brave and bold choice. We know it's the little things, the little daily choices we make, the decisions that come and go in an instant of who we want to be and where we want to go in life. But it's also the place that matters, the place where we decide to make it all happen, the place that will help us grow, the place that will help us focus, the place that will help us have a future full of possibilities. Right here, this place matters. This place, filled with friends, with mentors, classmates, and peers, and with people who have our backs. This place, filled with people who help us grow when we fail, and who cheer us on when we succeed. But it isn't just the place, it's the people. That's what matters. This is a place where people like to be and where everyone, yes, everyone can succeed. Here, it's the experience that counts. A bond formed over 2 years with teachers and friends that can never be replaced. Preparing us for work, preparing us for the future, preparing us for life. It transcends beyond the classrooms, beyond the labs, beyond the buildings. The place matters, but it's the collective community of career tech and the uniqueness of our time here that truly makes us who we are. This is a community. This is Eastland-Fairfield, and we are all in this together.